Hello?
Hello?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
I'm calling you from the
Technical support.
technical support.
Yes, technical support. Can you hear me?
The computer by your own?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
I lost you, mate.
Okay.
I can't hear you, mate. What happened?
I'm saying, did you fix your computer?
I fixed my computer, yes. I turned it off, turned it back on. It works now. Thank you, mate.
Try to open any website.
It works just fine, mate. Thank you.
I don't think that will fix the complete software or the services what you have in the computer.
Alrighty, what do we do next?
What sounds is that? That beeping sounds.
That sound was my answering machine going away, mate.
Okay. Then you can go ahead and put me on answering machine if you want.
I can't understand what you said. It bluffled.
Oh, I'm from southern part of the country. Because of that, I'm from Mexico.
You're from Mexico?
Yeah.
Comprende el español, señor.
You know how to speak Spanish?
Sí, yo comprende el español, señor. Mucho. ¿Tú?
Are you Spanish?
No, sir.
Then how come you learn Spanish?
Because I'm in Texas, dumbass.
Okay. It's a damn ass. What do you mean by damn ass? I don't understand what is dumb ass.
D-U-M-B-A-S-S. That's with a dash.
Yeah, can you explain it to me? Because I'm not good in English.
I'll give you the code. It's 38258. If you will convert that to English, you will figure it out, mate.
38, what do you say?
38258. En español es 3 a 8 a 2 a 5 a 8.
Okay. Alright. 38258. What do you mean by 38258?
If you will do the English conversion, mate, you will figure it out.
No, you want me to spell it out like 3THREE like this?
That's up to you, matey.
So can you tell me, because I don't know. I really don't know.
It stands for F-U-C-K-U.
You said F-C-U-K?
Close, mate. It's F-U-C-K-U. Do you have it now, mate?
You're from Texas. Are you?
Yes, I am. I'm from Texas and Texaco.
And are you a cowboy? Are you a cowboy?
Yes, I'm an English-speaking cowboy. I ride horses and cows and goats, dogs.
And do you have girls?
No, matey.
Why? You can't find girls?
No, matey.
How come?
I don't know. How come?
No, what's the problem?
Es español. Es el problema. ¿Tú no comprendes español?
I don't speak Spanish. I know how to speak. I'm a Spanish man, but I don't speak Spanish.
Okay, you're from Mexico and you don't speak Spanish. I think I'll hang up now. Thank you. Drive through.